Alright, we're installing the Wunderlich Tank Bag. First we need to take out 3 screws up here. Using a T25, I've already gone through and loosened them. So I'm ready to take them out pretty much. Here's all the hardware you need to install it. I've got these 2 bolts here with round heads on the top and then a Velcro strap. At first we're going to need these 2 inserts and the round bolts to go on in here. Drop the inserts, 1 in each hole. Make sure you have the washer on there. Insert that through and start to tighten it down. Same with the other one. Then you're going to reuse your stock bolt that you pulled out from the very front of the tank. Put it through there, tighten it on down using your T25. These bolts up here on top are a 9mm. So I did find my bag used. It's still in good condition. I guess the biggest gripe people have about these is that it is not waterproof. So if you were just sitting, or if your bike was sitting out in the rain, that the water would probably find its way in, because there's only these 2 zippers and then a flap up top here. So it does have a coating on the bottom to protect, or to help protect your paint. I've installed the clear vinyl just to help out with that. I don't want it to have any impact on my airbox cleaner. So we're going to go ahead and throw this on the top here. Yeah. And you just go ahead and push the Velcro down on itself, securing the bag to the front portion. That's it. So I have my quad lock here from my cell phone. I may have to use the extension arm and kind of have my phone come out one way or another, but I'll take a look at that. I don't know if I will leave this bag on all the time, or just for whenever I need it on day trips, or holding things for work, something like that. Overall, the construction of it seems really nice. Seems to be a very well put together product. Again, the only gripe is that it doesn't have any waterproofing, so very well could get water in there. It does have a port up here for if you want to run a phone cord or something for your GPS, and you have a battery in here. It does seem pretty nice. Again, I like the bag very much. If you all have any good way to clean the bag, there's little pieces of dirt and stuff on it, please leave a comment below and let me know what you do just to kind of keep it fresh, keep it good looking. Again, I really like the Wunderlich bag. It's a great pickup for these bikes. If you guys have any questions, leave a comment below. Please like and subscribe.